they play, you better think fast. If you dissing those orders, you gonna get smashed. And the hole on my blood, so is that where it's at? He said he close, so he better get back. If you dissing those zombies, get straight to the pack. And I'm come from the block where we clutching the racks. And I come from the block where we clutching the 40. If you run up on me, hit him in this short. Eric, stop this, I'ma hit with the 40. Stop Eric, stop this, and stop being a rat. If you beef with the game, we gon' hit for the pack. We gon' check your location, tryna get a nigga whack. We gon' shoot at his mama, shoot her in the back. Get step with TG if it ain't about the packs. I've been rolling around town like a rolling stone. All I wanna know is we gon' spit on that block, we gon' hit them with 3. Man, I'm slimy as fuck, think I need a key. When I'm slimy as fuck, think I need a pro. If we diss on my day, we gon' knock at your door. They get nigga air, man, he is a hoe. He false claiming shit, man, nigga don't know. Tell a nigga big car, put a tag on his toe. Have a run around town like a little bit of hoe. We gon' pop like a pin. People at the slime, niggas know that he in. Long live Lil Jordan, you know that's my twin. Long live Lil Jordan, you know that we step. I keep me a Glock for a fuck nigga test. If you really wanna play, you get hit with the whip. I said the 5.56 gon' leave a nigga chestin'. 5.56 gon' leave a nigga backbone. If you dissing on Jordan, get hit with your strap on. Clutching my plus, niggas know where I'm at though. If you dissing on P, you get tossed to the back though. And long Lil Stone, niggas know where it's at though. Shots at the back. Man, I'm catching that. Nigga be pushing niggas where it's at. If you dishing off P, get shots to your neck. Hey, if you dishing no shots, you're running strong. Long little shots, nigga, where it's at.